hybrid is this. I have my car with electric motor, AC motor. Okay. In my car, I have one inverter because the motor is electric AC, three-phase motor, and that electric motor receives power from one inverter, AC power, hot, neutral, and ground. And the inverter produces AC because the inverter have one bank of batteries. In my car, I have a battery bank in the trunk. I am driving my car, driving my boat, hybrid, and suddenly the level of charge, the DOD in this battery bank decreased 20%. When the level of charge in the battery bank decreased 20%, automatically the generator starts, send power for a battery charger, and the battery charger recharge my battery bank quickly, in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. As soon as the battery bank reached 95, 96%, the generator stopped, and I continue driving my car for other 40 minutes until the level of the battery bank decreased 20% and the generator start again. This is the perfect solution, guys.